Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So when Google finally announced their first Google Pixel Watch, I was very excited. Absolutely loved the pebble design and enjoyed using the watch so far, even with the very stressful battery life issues. Hence why I was really looking forward to the Google Watch Pixel 2 announcement in the hope that there'll be some major improvements including battery life. So in this video, we'll look at what's on offer with Pixel Watch 2 and what are the real new improvements that stands out. Well, the Pixel Watch 2 looks almost identical to its predecessor. 3 color options available: polished silver, matte black, and champagne gold, and a range of watch bands to suit everybody's taste. So let's now look at the few crucial new improvements and updates Pixel Watch 2 brings to us. Let's start with design and build. Design remains the same, but the build has changed to aluminium casing. By the way, that's 100% recycled aluminium. On Pixel Watch 1, it was stainless steel. I don't feel that's an upgrade, but I guess it will make the Pixel Watch 2 a little lighter, to be precise, by 5 grams. So Pixel Watch 2 is 31 grams. Size-wise, still 41 mm round, available both Wi-Fi and LTE version. Custom AMOLED display, 1000 nits peak with Gorilla Glass 5. 50 ATM water resistant, that's IP68. And of course, it comes with Android Wear OS 4, chipset Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1, which replaces the outdated Samsung Exynos 9110 processor, 2 gig RAM and 32 gig storage, and I'm glad to see that they didn't downgrade the storage. So let's move on to the sensors. So the Pixel Watch 2 is housing several new sensors, including skin temperature sensor, a body response sensor, as well as a multipath heart sensor, which should give more accurate heart rate tracking. And we can see from the layout of the sensors, it does offer more contact, therefore more accurate reading of your pulse. Let's move on to the battery. Now that's a big one. Battery life can be a deal breaker for many of us. I don't personally like stressing about charging my watch every day, so the battery life is quite important to me, and I'm sure it is for many of you. But are you willing to compromise if the watch is good looking enough and has all the other features that you need? So that's one for you to think about. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So the Pixel Watch 2 comes with 306 mAh battery, but this time it's claimed that even with always on display, we'll get 24 hours of use on a single charge. So that's one to contemplate upon. So if we say if we do half a day of always on display, does it mean that we can get through 1.5 days with one single charge? Well, we'll have to put it to test and see. Faster charging is also on offer, 12-hour charge in 30 minutes and 75 minutes to full charge. That's saving you 5 minutes. With Pixel 1, it was 80 minutes to full charge. However, with Pixel Watch 2, Google is moving away from wireless charging and instead using pin-based connector. The back of the watch has a grid of circular points. The inner cross consists of new health sensors, while the corners are contact pins for the power. Let's move on. So what's coming with Wear OS 4? Well, I'm very happy to hear that there'll be Gmail, Calendar, Audible, as well as other third-party apps. It's great to see Google is catching up with Apple Watches and Samsung as well. So this neatly takes us to the new safety features included in the Google Pixel Watch 2. The safety features include emergency SOS, medical information sharing, personal safety checks. So basically, you can let your loved ones know your location. You can set time to check in. If you don't confirm you're okay when prompted by the watch, it will notify the list of emergency contacts and share the information you set up on your watch. That's fantastic. I can see a lot of people buying this watch just for that feature alone. Let's move on to the new and improved Fitbit. I must say that I found Google Pixel Fitbit to be exceptional. It's very detailed and accurate, and you don't have to even get the subscription, as you get tremendous amount of health tracking information just on the free Fitbit options. I actually did a video on that. I'll leave the link here. If you are interested, do check it out. Anyway, with Pixel Watch 2, it's coming with new AI algorithms upgraded software, and 3 new sensors, which combined should give you a complete picture of health tracking data possible. Introducing new AI coaching and stress management features, offering interventions to de-stress and manage oneself better in the future. So guys, are you happy with what Google is offering for Pixel Watch 2? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I'm happy with the new improvement Pixel Watch 2 brings, but at the same time, I wish Google done better with the battery life. Size-wise, there should have been more options than just one size, and I do wish they had done something about the large bezel. I'm also disappointed that they have gone for aluminium casing rather than stainless steel. Nonetheless, I have pre-ordered it as I love the unique pebble design and some of the features like Fitbit. Let me know if you're considering pre-ordering or have you already ordered it. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing, which would help us out a lot. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.